Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos, viewers, I will show you beautiful entire wall hanging design ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. The best thing about drywall hanging is that they allow you to express your creative instead of using expensive decoration. You can choose something unique using simple material you can already have at home. Every handmade piece tells a story and make your home feel warm and modern. Let's begin with one of the most popular wall hanging style, making wall art using simple cloth and cotton rope. You can create elegant patterns that suit modern home, farmhouse, boho style homes, add wooden beads or tasseless, make your design even more eye sketching. And weavers, friends, and the beautiful idea is a yarn wall hanging. Choose your favorite color and create a layer of soft yarn hanging from a wooden stick or a nature tree branch. You can use natural shades for a clean look or bright color to make a bold statement. And the weavers, friends, friends, if you love crochet, a crochet wall hanging is a perfect project. Beautiful granny square measure design flower motif and texture pattern can be joined together to create stunning wall decoration. Cotton and give a clean finish with colorful yarn, add personality and charm. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell.